Put on your gun.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Hey, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network at Open World 2015, bringing you another 2-minute tech tip.
I'm Bill Smith, Chief Architect from Vendita Technology Group, and also author of Master Competitive Analytics with Oracle Endeca Information Discovery, available at a bookstore near you.
All right, Bill, if you're ready, your 2 minutes starts now.
It was at the opening remarks last night, and Mark Hurd mentioned that people seemed a little bit stressed out and maybe not as enthusiastic, and I think it's because they're worried about backups of their data. And so today I'm going to talk about how to back up an Endeca data domain and the entire Endeca application. What you're going to need to do is go into the Unix command line, Linux command line, and access the Endeca command line. I have put this up on the supporting site for my book at endeca.pro. I wanted to put this up on the big screen here at Open World, but that kind of got shot down for today's tip. So what you need to do is go to the Endeca command line and use the export dd command. And one of the parameters is offline name. The offline name specifies the name of your data domain backup. With this command then you can do export dd and it will create a snapshot of your Endeca data domain. Now I recommend when you are moving this to another server that you use the Linux tar command to tar it up, move it over to the other server, and then just untar it. You will need to replicate the directory structure that is created by the export dd command. The offline backups are stored in a directory that's kind of deep in the directory structure, so you'll have to kind of look hard to find that. Again, I put that on endeca.pro. So once you've moved the data domain, you'll need to replicate the application. This is done from within Endeca Studio in the control panel, and this is a little bit buried. You'll first have to export the application into a .lar file and then re-import it onto the other Endeca server, Endeca Studio server. Once you've done this, you simply create a connection into the new data domain, and you're ready to roll. You can simply point the new application at the new data domain, and you're off to the races. You've replicated your Endeca application.
Thanks for a great tip. You folks at home, stay tuned.